The first step, 24 hours at least before you make a good smoothie, is freezing the bananas. You want to make sure you get equal exchange, and you want to make sure that they're ripe with brown spots. Then you open it from the bottom, because that's easier. If you freeze a banana with a peel, you won't be able to unpeel it. Then you put it in your bag, which is your bag that you reuse to freeze your bananas. And you break it up into pieces. And that's it. Repeat. And then of course your peels, you can compost them. Okay, so the next day after you froze your bananas, basically the smoothie I make is just a banana whip, which is frozen and blended bananas. And just that alone is really good if you want like an ice cream that's vegan and you have a fancier blender that can handle that. Then I add a vegan protein powder, whichever ones that I found. The way I get my protein powder is when the university students move out every spring. I never buy it. So I recommend looking up when their students move out in your area and digging through their trash on trash night, the day before trash day. I'm running out of everything because of the quarantine. Another protein powder. I don't really measure it. I like to add a little chocolate. I like to add some tahini. Once again, it's cool because they're an employee-owned co-op. Then if we weren't in the great quarantine, I might add some fresh spinach. I like that over other stuff because it blends easily. It's a superfood. And then I get my milk of choice. I like unsweetened vanilla almond because it's low in calories. It's got 30 calories, and I have a problem eating too much all the time. So soy milk has more protein, if that's what you are going for. But this already has a lot of protein with the protein powders I added. You can also just do bananas and almond milk. And then I do nearly to the top, like that. I like mine really thick, like ice creamy. There you go. It's nice and ice creamy. And I'm kind of a lazy slob, so I like to just eat it right out of the blender, and then I don't have to do as much dishes.